Hey guys, Kaiser58 here, and today I'm going to show you a quicker way to mount a tire. So today we have a 94 Thunderbird. You can do this on all cars though, and we just did brakes on it. Well, we have it jacked up still, as you can see, and we're going to show you a way to actually make it quicker to mount the tires. So your lugs are still somewhat hand tight, but they still are tight. Well, you could tighten them with your hands all day, or what you do is you get your tire iron like me, hook it up, and you just spin the tire like a train. Then it's nice and tight. And then I get my locking lug key. If you have locking lugs, mine, just hook up the key. Put the tire in the key, and then again, just spin it. And then instead of doing it by hand, you do that, and it makes it quicker, and then you got your tire mounted even faster. If you don't have power tools or impacts or anything like that, and just a tire iron or a 4-way. Kaiser58, over and out. Comment, rate, subscribe.